This is only tip. This is only tip. This is 2019 with 900 miles. Car is sold, car passed all inspection, and car passed alignment at dealer. And we trade this car for a McLaren, and they're gonna pay on top. So this car looks sick. You never tell this car been on an accident. This car I trade for McLaren MP4, I guess. It's called, sorry. Okay guys, check it out. This car looks sick. So the trailer waiting outside already. We did buff, we did everything. Like, car is on the mint condition. Okay, let's go out because they're waiting for us. The trailer is here, and it's a little bit hard. Okay. Okay guys, this is the trailer. It's pretty clean trailer for supercars. This trailer costs about 100 grand. By the way, this car has a suspension lift if you need.
Right, yeah, that's good.
Okay guys, I bought this car for you, for videos, for you know, you're gonna sit drinking coffee or vodka, you know, and look at these videos and thinking, what the heck is going on? Look at this. This is the biggest project we ever have. That, like I said, you saw probably this car, it's hit on over here, and whole frame, they fixed the whole frame. But I'm staying over here and thinking it's not possible to put it together, but I can make it. But it's not possible. It's like put it out whole car, you know, whole front, the dash, you have to take it off. Engine I have to fix because a hole on the engine, like not bad, but on the intake, you know. I'm gonna put it on the video, like we're gonna film this when I put it together, the video, I mean engine. But this car, we're gonna paint it. We're gonna use the prime, like epoxy for aluminum, and then paint it completely. We're gonna make factory, look factory. And after that, we're gonna put it together. But we have a fenders, the damaged fenders, they fix. But I'm thinking I'm gonna put in my, I bought it 2 fenders already from Oleg car, you know, Oleg Russian 007 Instagram. From his car I bought it because he put in the VTEC fenders. So this is scary project for me, and I don't wanna even think about it to start because I'm waiting when you guys gonna hit me 100 subscribes. That's what I waited.
100,000.
100,000, yes, 100,000, yes.
Not 100.
Yes, I mean 100 million. 100,000, yeah. And I just bought it this lip. like I pay this is good price, but I have to buff out a little bit. Carbon fiber for the front bumper, OEM factory. So this lip is like about like I don't know, about 6-7 thousand, but I pay 2 grand for this. Maybe a little bit less, just a little bit less, because I bought it a lot of parts for McLaren, and he gave me better deal only on this part because this is for me. I mean, this car is gonna cost me a lot, but I'm thinking maybe I'm gonna just drive a little bit on this car, maybe keep it for a while. We'll see. Or that one, or 612. But this car has a really nice interior, brown interior. Yeah, beautiful. Yep, it is what it is. Thank you guys, thank you. Okay guys, so we're going to Urus shop, checking out the Ferrari 812 Superfast. They're working already 1 month, so I'm gonna add him more money. I got him, this is the tip. So because it's we didn't expect it's gonna be extra work, so we go into his shop and check it out what is going on, and he said the car is almost ready, so let's go. What's up? Okay guys, I'm very excited about the car, about 812. Because maybe I'm gonna keep this car for myself, maybe not, you know. I think I really deserve this car, but you know, a lot of customers we have on this moment, so maybe I'm gonna sell it. After that, we wanna like put in primer, epoxy, like special epoxy for aluminum, and then the black primer, and then we're gonna install the engine. So let's check it out. Because I didn't see the car about 1 month, probably, maybe more. Yeah, about 1 month. I don't know what is going on there, because something, they said something not fit, something, I mean extra problems. But you know what I like? He never asked me, look, it came out like extra work, right? But he never asked me to like add money. He's like honest, you know, so I'm honest too, that's why I'm gonna add him, you know. Good tip, you know. So guys, stay tuned. Please like and subscribe, guys, please. We help you, you guys help us. So that's how it works, you know. Okay guys, we came to Urus shop. He's working on my Ferrari 812 Superfast. I bring bumper. And Mark,
Oh, actually looks good. Last time I saw it.
She looked pretty. What's up, man?
Серый, надо было туда пачку побольше.
This is only tip. This is only tip.